Hi guys, namaste. Welcome to Nile Mentions. Before getting into the video, do the subscribe button and the bell icon. Thank you so much, and I hope you all are doing fine. Today I have with me an eyeshadow palette, and this is from the brand Faces Canada, and this is the Faces Canada Magnet Eyes eyeshadow palette. This is how the packaging looks like. This retails for 7.99 rupees, and this has 8 highly pigmented shades. This is crease resistant and velvety smooth in application. Intense dramatic eyes all day, every day. So this is how the inner packaging looks like. This does not have a mirror, and also this doesn't have a brush. And these are the shades. 3 shades are matte and 5 are glittery. So I'll just show you the pigmentation on my hand. Okay, these are the 8 shades currently on my hand. मेरा थोड़ा practice छूट गया है because it's been a long time I reviewed any makeup product, so थोड़ा सा practice में निकल गया है. But these are the 8 shades. So I did my eye makeup using this palette. I just used I think 2 shades or 3 shades on my eyes, and I'll just show you the demo. I recorded the demo. I'll just show you the demo right now. I'm shooting from my front camera and I can see myself, and this is so distracting. Like, I wonder how people vlog and all using the front camera, because I mean, I'm looking at myself, not because I'm looking very pretty, but you know, when you have an option to look at yourself, you will look at yourself. Like, I am looking at myself. It is so weird. Like, I have to look there, but I don't know. So I'll be doing my eye makeup right now, and you'll see how good this is, how bad this is, how much fallout this has, because I've already done my base. It is quite evident I've done my base. So let's just see. I'll be picking this shade on my entire crease, and then I'll blend it out with this, I think, shimmer shade, I guess. So let's see. There's a construction going on, so please ignore the trrrring. This is so pigmented, and there is like no fallout. Yeah, the color is beautiful. It kind of matches my lipstick. This is quite pigmented, I would say, as you can see, and this has zero fallout, and this feels very creamy on application, very soft and smooth on application. Okay, so I have filled my eyelids with the beautiful orangish, burnt orange color. This looks somewhat brown, but this looks like this. It's brown only, like brown, burnt orange kind of a shade. Beautiful. So I'll just blend out the crease, and I'll be using this one to blend the crease so that this looks kind of matching. Okay, so I'll take this one, shimmer shade. Can you see this? My god, this is so pretty. Oh man, this looks beautiful. Look at the shimmer. This is amazing. This looks very good. So I did it on both of my eyelids, if you can see. The pigmentation is beautiful. It's just, you can see. It's amazing. I loved it. Just for the heck of it, I'll just use this one as well. Okay, so this is how the palette works. Let's get back to the video. This is a very beautiful palette, and this has amazing colors. The colors are super pigmented. The colors are very creamy and smooth, and there is absolutely zero fallout. You saw it with your eyes, like there was no fallout. I had done my entire base and then I did my eyes just to test this product, and there was like no fallout. My makeup was intact. I think this is a great palette which you should definitely get your hands on. The name of this palette is the Minimalist, which actually is true because the colors are not very bright or loud in your face kind of colors. The colors are very subtle and warm and neutral kind of shades. So yeah, you can definitely give this a shot. I'll put the link of this in the description box. You can definitely give this a try. Faces Canada products are very good. They don't actually need a review to see whether they are good or not. The products are really very good. I have been using Faces since a long time, so I love this brand. So yeah, I'll put the link of this in the description box. My final verdict is that you should definitely get your hands on this. I'll see you guys next time with some another product. Until then, you guys please take care, and I love you all.